In the third sum, 3.1, first sum in that third Roman letter, x plus 20 is equal to 3y by 2 plus 10, that is equal to 2z plus 5, that is equal to 110 minus of y plus z. That is the question. Here the question, there are 4 forms, right? In that you simplify it to 3 form of equation, right? Now for that, club 2. First club this x plus 20 is equal to 3y by 2 plus 10. And write the equation form. These are all not in equations, just write it in equation form. So what you're going to do is this left hand side, right? Your left hand side and right hand side. The right hand side you simplify, make it as a single denominator. 3y plus 10 into 2, cross multiply 20. This is x plus 20. Now 2 bring it to the other side. 2x plus 40 is equal to 3y plus 20. Now 2x, y bring it to the other side. Minus 3y. Plus 3y becomes minus 3y. That is equal to 20. 40 take to the other side. Minus 40. Plus 40 becomes minus 40. So 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 20. This is your first equation. Likewise, you find it for the next x and z, you solve it. X plus 20 is equal to 2z plus 5. Okay. Now bring that z inside. X minus 2z is equal to 5. 20 to the other side becomes minus 20. So x minus 2z, I am writing z as small z, right? 5 minus 20, that is minus 15. So x minus 2z is equal to minus 15. Mark it as second equation. Now comparing the third, right? 2z plus 5. This is z plus 5 and this y and z you solve it. So 110 minus of y plus z. This is minus of means this minus is spread inside also. That is 110 minus y minus z. Here you have 2z plus 5. Now club it one side. Y and z bring it to one side. Y plus z. Minus y becomes plus y. Minus z becomes plus z. Already you have 2z. That is equal to 110. Already equal to other side you have 110. Z take it to the other side, minus 5. Now the equation becomes y plus 1z and 2z. That becomes 3z equal to 110 minus 5. That is 105. This is your third equation. So first equation has xy. Second equation has xz. And the third equation has yz. Okay. Now solving this x, y, z, you will get the values. Same like elimination method, you do it. Right? So write the equation. 2x minus 3y equal to minus 20 is your first equation. X minus 2z is equal to minus 15. That is your second equation. Y plus 3z is equal to 105. That is your third equation. Okay. Now you got the equation form. Is it easy to solve? Is it not? Now comparing 1 and 2. Here x is same, only that 2 is missing, so multiply by 2. Second equation, multiply by 2. So write first equation as it is. 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 20. Write as it is. Second equation, multiply by 2. So that the x becomes 2 and you can simplify it. So second equation, x multiplied 2. Again z, 2 into again 2. 4z is equal to minus 15 into 2. That is minus 30. Okay, now solving this, what you will get? See, x is there, subtract it. Change the sign for subtraction. So minus becomes plus, minus becomes plus. 2x minus, subtracted 0. 3y and 4z is there. Different variable, you cannot add it. So write 3y plus 4z equals to 30 minus 20, that is 10. This is your fourth equation. Okay, assume this is fourth equation. Same like that, solve the next two and find the another equation. Now already you have y plus 3z, is it not? Here you have y plus 4z. So you can solve these two things. Third and fourth equation. But third equation has only y. Coefficient minus 3 must be multiplied. Shall we do that? So third equation multiply by minus, it's minus 3y. Okay, that is minus 3 you have to multiply. So y becomes minus 3y. And then 3z becomes minus 9z, that is equal to 105 minus 3. 105 minus 3. So what you will get? Minus 315. Now minus 3 you are multiplying this for third equation. Minus 3y minus 9z is equal to minus 315. Multiply by 3 table. So the equation becomes minus 3y minus 9z minus 315. Now already you have fourth equation. What is your fourth equation? Minus 3y plus 4z equals to 10. Now do the subtraction. So such a way change the sign and do the subtraction. 3y and plus 3y, because 3y and 3y are in the same symbol. So only if you change the symbol you can do the cancellation. So change the sign and do the cancel. So while changing the sign you will get minus. Minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. So minus 9 minus 4 becomes 13z. This one minus minus, add the numbers, 325. So you have minus 13z equals to minus 325. So minus and minus again gets cancels. So z is equal to 325 by 13, which is, what is your z? 25. So your z is 25. After finding the z value, find the remaining. Substitute one of the equation and find it. See, in the second equation you can substitute, is it not? What is your second equation? X minus 2 times z is equal to minus 15. So x is equal to x minus 2 times 25 equal to minus 15. X minus 50 is equal to minus 15. So x is equal to minus 15 plus 50. Bring that 50 to other side. 15 minus 15 is 35. So your x value is 35. After finding the x value, substitute that x and z in. You want to find the y value. Where you have y value, you find it from there. So first equation you take it. What is it? 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 20. Okay. What is your x? 35. 2 into 35 minus 3 into 25. That is equal to minus 20. So 70 minus 15, 175, which is equal to, no. So substitute in that y only you want to find it, right? Z is 25, right? 3 into y is equal to 20. So 70 minus 3y is equal to minus 20. Minus 3y is equal to minus 20 minus 70, which is minus 90. So 3y is equal to, so minus minus cancel, y is equal to 90 by 3, which is 3. 30. Y is 30. So you got y is 30, x is 35, z is 25. Check it out. So substitute all the x, y, z in one equation and check your answer. Correct or not? So first equation, 2x minus 3y equal to minus 20. So now you got, no, left hand side, what is it? 2 into x value you substitute it, 35. Minus 3 into y value is what? 30. So 70 minus 90, which is minus 20, your right hand side. So both left hand side and right hand side equal. So you have the values correct. X, y, z values are correct. So if you want to check the z, you substitute in the third equation if you want. Y plus 3 into z is 105, is it not? So left hand side take it. Y is what? 30. 30 plus 3 into 25. What it is? 30 plus 75, which is 105. That is your right hand side. So left hand side and right hand side both equal. So your x value, y value, z are correct. You can check your answers.